Have you ever dreamed of standing on the rooftop of Africa, surrounded by sweeping grasslands, ancient forests, and wildlife you won't find anywhere else on Earth? Let me take you on a journey to one of Ethiopia's best-kept secrets, Bale Mountain National Park. Now picture this. You wake up to the crisp, fresh air at over 3,000 meters above sea level. The sunrise spills over the Saneti Plateau, painting the sky in pinks and golds. All around you, rare Ethiopian wolves dash across the moorlands. This is the only place in the world you'll find them. Seriously, there are fewer than 500 left, and just spotting one feels like winning the wildlife lottery. But Bale is more than just wolves. The park is a patchwork of habitats. One moment, you're wandering through dense, misty Harena forest. Think moss-draped trees, secret waterfalls, and the sound of monkeys chattering above. Next, you're hiking through open heather fields, where giant lobelias poke towards the sky, and mountain nyalas, Ethiopia's own rare antelope, graze quietly nearby. And oh, the bird life. Bale is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 300 species fluttering through the trees. You might spot the striking blue-winged goose, or the endemic Abyssinian catbird singing its heart out. If you're into plants, there are more wildflowers here than you can imagine, many unique to these highlands. But what really makes Bale unforgettable is how remote and untouched it feels. Unlike other parks where you might bump elbows with crowds, here it's just you, the wild, and maybe a local guide leading you along ancient footpaths. You can trek for hours without seeing another soul, except maybe a hyena watching curiously from a distance. Visiting Bale Mountain National Park is not just a trip, it's an adventure into Ethiopia's wild heart. Whether you're hiking to the top of Tulu Dimtu, the second highest peak in Ethiopia, or sipping fresh coffee in a local village, every moment feels magical and real. So, if you love nature, wild places, and those once-in-a-lifetime experiences, put Bale Mountain National Park on your bucket list. Trust me, it's a hidden gem that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Thanks for exploring with me. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures. See you on the next trail.